Ready?
Go.
Today doing a repair test, Eric Woodall. As you see, this is a damaged shingle. We'll be repairing this one right here. If you look at the ones above it, no damage right now. And alrighty. Well, nail there. As you can see, I ripped the shingle we pulled up. Also, this one broke. Got creases going down the middle of them. As you can see, this one, and then this one almost has a hole in it. Same with that one. This one has a crease going across, and they're all ripped on the bottom as well, keeping this roof non-repairable.